Hey class, welcome back. So we've got this one called 1.5.7 batting average. So all we're doing is adding a class that will, we're writing a method in this class, in the class of baseball player, that will do an average. Okay, so that's all we have to do. So let's get started. So let me, so it's not going to be in the tester class, it's going to be in the other one. And probably, oh, look right here. I didn't even have to copy that because it has it for me. So this is all we're really doing. So let's look at the assignment again. Let's figure out. We will extend this class by adding a method, batting average, which is calculated by the number of hits divided by the number of bats. Okay, so that's all we're going to do is we're going to return and I want the hits and the bats to be a double. So I need to go ahead and put a double in there. And then all I really want to do is hits divided by bats. Oh, is it at bats? I'm trying to think. Yeah, I think it would be at bats. Okay. And then I think that's it. All right, let's run that. Oh, no, it didn't like that. Okay, hang tight. Okay, this is my same old problem. I keep not reading its hits, not hit. So it doesn't recognize the variable, which usually means I've misspelled it. Here we go. And we've got Babe Ruth. Okay. So in our tester class, that's the person we have, and it's all, yeah. Oh, okay. So now we can do this. They did this for us, and all we really need to do is run it. There we are. That was Babe Ruth's batting average. Let's check our code. All right, good. Let's move on from here. Let's do the last one in this series. And then this one is going to be distance in kilometers. So in this one, we are extending the geolocation class, and we are writing a new method, public distance from kilometers geolocation. Okay, let's get started on that. And let's see. Okay, so it said that we were going to do it on the geolocation one. Okay, here's our geolocation. Okay. Returns that. There's our toString. Ah, here it is. This is where we're gonna add some stuff. So let's look at our assignment and see what we're gonna do. We're supposed to do should return the distance from the current object to the geolocation object passed in as a parameter. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we don't want it to return 0. We actually want it to return something. So here's where we're going to fill this in. We're going to, it says we want to use the distance from, okay, so remember we have a method called distance from, so let's do that method, distance from, okay, and then we want to use our other, and then we would need to multiply that times the kilometer per hour. And that'll give us the distance, because we're basically doing in kilometers. So we're getting it from miles to kilometers. I'm copying that, and then I am multiplying that times that. Okay, so that's all we're doing. We're just adding a new method in here so that it'll change it to kilometers. And that's it. That's all we really needed to do. So let's go back to our tester and see, okay, so here's all of our miles, and we have our, here it is, we're distance from kilometers. That's what it's going to do. So let's do our output. Uh-oh. No, there it is. Okay, so it's 4,133 miles, and it's, I don't know, 7 million, actually 71 million? No, 717,886,466 kilometers. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.